It's not always that pilots can get their hands on all-rounder aircraft. One way or another, they have sacrificed speed, range, and even payload to get the best out of what each model has to offer. However, since the Epic E1000 GX took the skies, the aviation world is rethinking what it means to offer all three in one single-engine turboprop. Since the E1000 received the 2020 Flying Innovation and the 2020 Plane of the Year awards, Epic Aircraft continues to break the limits for their models with pilot-driven design, luxurious amenities, and world-class performance. Now, the company presents its latest innovation in the form of the Epic E1000 GX, replacing the original E1000 model. Today, we'll cover 5 reasons why you should fly it, and why you should own one too. This is Aviation Federation, sharing with you exciting information about the latest and greatest in aviation and beyond. Reason 1. Speed and fuel efficiency. It's hard to imagine that a single aircraft can cruise up to 333 knots or 617 kilometers per hour. Yet the Epic E1000 GX is doing just that, thanks to its Pratt & Whitney PT6A 67A engine, capable of churning out a maximum of 1,200 shaft horsepower. Passengers can also expect quieter operations both inside and outside a cabin, with a hard-sell 5-blade composite propeller. This propeller allows thinner and wider airfoil due to its composite resin-injected blades, resulting in an enhanced flight performance, faster takeoff acceleration, and added speed, versatility, and comfort. However, when you're looking for a smoother and calmer ride, you can expect a normal cruising speed of 317 knots, or just about 537 kilometers per hour. Saving fuel is no problem with an economic cruise speed of 260 knots or 482 kilometers per hour. At best, this unit can carry about 264 gallons or 999 liters of fuel, burning around 40 gallons per hour if you're going up to 300 knots. Never let it be said you need to burn fast in order to go fast too. Reason 2. Impressive range and payload. Just because it's fast doesn't mean it can go very far, as the Epic E1000 GX can take you with a maximum range of 1,560 nautical miles, or about 2,890 kilometers at best. And going far won't have to mean traveling with less, because this aircraft allows you a maximum payload of 2,238 pounds, or 1,297 kilograms, passengers and luggage included. You'll barely notice that you've already hit the maximum operating altitude of 34,000 feet. But that's what these upgrades are for. Imagine flying coast to coast with everything you need and as fast as you can by making only 1 to 2 fuel stops. That's what this aircraft is all about. To match the range and speed, this unit also comes with unrivaled short-field performance by maximizing its trailing link, landing gear, and full reversing prop. It boasts a takeoff distance of 2,254 feet or 687 meters at most, with a landing distance of 2,399 feet to 731 meters at gross weight. Overall, you can trust this plane to take you into air trips and airports where most other high-performing aircraft can't follow. Reason 3. Improved aerodynamics. The Epic E1000 GX is an impressive sight, with its sleek and elongated body measuring over 35 feet in length and towering over 12 feet in height. Constructed using carbon fiber composite materials, this unit benefits from having superior strength-to-weight ratio, improved aerodynamics, fewer parts count, better fatigue life, corrosion and wear resistance, improved insulation, as well as excellent acoustics. Meanwhile, its 43 feet wingspan optimizes stability, efficiency in handling, landing it to a certified utility category. Its strength definitely stands on par with any traditional metal aircraft, while the whole model cuts an imposing figure with its sleek lines and seamless curves. In addition, this is an aircraft that certainly catches the eye on the ramp. Its sleek and modern design exudes a sense of sophistication and style. One of the standout features that adds to the ramp appeal of the Epic E1000 GX is its large, panoramic windows. These windows not only flood the cabin with natural light, but also provide stunning views for both pilots and passengers. The aircraft's clean lines, streamlined fuselage, and well-integrated features give it a distinct and captivating appearance. Reason 4. Performance meets luxury. There's nothing more VIP than a first-class welcome, and the Epic E1000 GX rises to the challenge by providing you a spacious cabin and cockpit, with leather reclining seats to match. The cabin itself is designed with luxury in mind, boasting comfortable seating, premium materials, and meticulous attention to detail. Capable of accommodating up to 6 persons, passengers get to enjoy a mix of soft padding, pitch, and roominess, along with ample storage, easy-access convenience features, and best-in-class legroom. The 6.6 psi pressurized cabin also offers sophisticated sound and climate control. All of these cabin features are made possible by the 184 cubic feet cabin volume and 18 cubic feet luggage volume. What's more, passengers can enjoy the electronically dimmable, large panoramic windows, which give you control over light, glare, and UV rays. The thoughtful design ensures that every seat has a clear sightline, ensuring that passengers can fully appreciate the beauty of the skies above and the landscapes below. You see, comfort isn't usually associated with speedy, high-performance flights. Yet, here we are with the E1000 GX. Before we proceed with the rest of this list, we're happy to let you know that we now have another way for you to support our content. As you already know, we're not really here to sell you anything, but you can now send us a one-time donation by visiting the link on screen or by clicking the link in the description box. Every contribution you make helps us grow in order to bring you more useful and entertaining content. Thank you, and we truly appreciate all of your support. Reason 5. Advanced Safety and Avionics. Designed for pilots by pilots, anyone who dares to fly the Epic E1000 GX can be satisfied with the unit's ergonomically designed all-glass flight deck. The Avionics suite, the Garmin G1000 NXi, further enhances the appeal of this plane. Its state-of-the-art technology, including high-resolution displays, intuitive controls, and advanced navigation capabilities, showcase the aircraft's cutting-edge performance. You can rest assured that every critical information will stay within your reach, as the flight deck offers streamlined situational awareness over vital traffic, weather, terrain, stall protection, engine monitoring, and many more. This aircraft also incorporates a robust autopilot system, which assists in maintaining precise control and stability during flight. This feature allows for smoother and more efficient operations, reducing pilot workload and enhancing overall safety. This unit has been awarded its FAA Type certification as of June 2021, thanks in part to its Garmin GFC TM700 automated flight control system. This system provides flight direction, autopilot, yaw damper, automatic trim capabilities, emergency descent protection, and many more. The Epic E1000 GX prioritizes safety through its advanced avionics, sturdy construction, and optional safety enhancements. These features work in tandem to provide pilots and passengers with a secure and confident flying experience. All in all, the Epic E1000 GX offers an exhilarating one-of-a-kind flight experience for those looking to step out of their comfort zones and into the rapidly changing segment of advanced turboprops. Its speed, fuel efficiency, aerodynamics, luxurious interiors, and safety are standout features that make it a truly one-of-a-kind aircraft worthy of recognition. Whether you're embarking on a short trip or a long-haul journey, this aircraft is a haven of comfort, sophistication, and modern design. It sets the stage for an unforgettable flying experience where every moment is enjoyed in style. Have you ever flown the Epic E1000 GX? What was your experience like, and how would you rate its performance? If you're looking to buy a new aircraft, what other optional safety or comfort enhancements would you like to see improved or added in your purchase? Tell us what you think of this model, and feel free to suggest more brands for us to cover. Lastly, don't forget to support our community and share this video to someone else who might enjoy it.